I should have probably went to a professional. Me keeping. I'm about to say, this is me. Okay, so today I'm going to take off these janky lashes. As you can see, I kind of like already like halfway prep my face. I'm gonna wash my lashes because baby, these things are dirty. Ah! I thought that water was cold. Ah! Only need one. Oh, I forgot the water was cold. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one. Oh, I forgot that water was cold. Nope, not gonna get me. Putting some warm water. Now I'm just gonna wash the rest of my face. And these are like reusable towels. Not reusable towels, they're like one use, but it's so you know you're not using the same hand towel. Okay, so I got this little kit from Amazon. I've read the reviews and everyone said that they was able to do it by themselves. They just did one eye at a time. So that's what we're gonna do. Here is the cream remover, these little spools, and then like the under eye. Okay, so we're going to brush them out. Like as you can see, I really don't have too much. So we're gonna do that one first before we do the one that's got the lot. Okay. Ooh, one of them already just came off too. I think that was the one that was bothering me. Ah! Okay, so we don't have that much. Okay. So obviously this goes under. Okay, so we're gonna, I guess, we're trying to think like what my lash tech be doing. Okay. Okay. Ouch! Yeah, I got one of the lashes. Ooh, oh, and I peeled it right off. Oh, wow. I do not know what I'm doing. Look at this. Look at how I just peeled it off. Okay, so we're not gonna do that on the top because that hurt. I don't want to waste it anymore. I should have probably went to a professional or looked up a YouTube video on how to do this. But we are here now. On the comments, everyone was saying like, oh yeah, it was easy. I was able to do it myself. So I'm like, okay, I can do it myself. Okay, so even this on my eye is like bothering me. Okay, let me go down here so y'all can see what I'm doing. So I'm putting it like right on the line, and it says you're supposed to like wait 3 minutes. Maybe this was supposed to keep my eye closed. My eye is doing a lot of movement. All right, we're gonna try this again. We don't have it as close as last time. Okay, this is helping me like keep my eye closed. This is so hard. Like I'm trying to have this eye closed, this eye open. Okay, this one seems to be working. Like me keeping this eye all the way open and keeping this one shut. And I'm just trying to make sure I'm getting this on there. Whew. Okay, so now it says you're supposed to wait 2 to 3 minutes. And I'm just gonna hold this down so this eye stay closed. I'll say it says clean your lashes with a forceps or a brush when the gel cream is dissolved. The remover covers the entire false lashes where the adhesion is left for 2 to 3 minutes. I think I did it right. I'm Papa the Sailor Man. Well, I don't even know if I'm Papa, but I'm glad I did this in the morning. My eye is burning. Oh, my eye is burning. My eye is burning. Like it's because I keep opening up this eye. Oh, this second one's gonna be hard. This second one is going to be hard. Okay, how is it to get this off? A brush. I don't even know. I don't think it's been 2 minutes. Where's my brush? Where's my spoolie? Oh no, that's my good one. There's the one I was just using. You know, I did all this to save $20 and some drive time. Was it worth it? These lashes are still on my lashes. I'm gonna add some more gel because I tried to brush it and it did not come off. Oh, one did. Oh, it's coming off. Look at that. Look at that. Why can you always see the hand and not the, hold on. Yeah, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Lashes have came off. Lashes have came off. Lashes. Ah! Okay, so maybe I just needed this to take it off because, okay, maybe I can't do this. Ah! Okay, now I get, ooh, move, shake now, drop. It's like getting stuck on the paper, but they are coming off though. It's coming off. It's just, it's lightly getting stuck on this. So when I do this one, I'm gonna just put it on the top. Oh my gosh, I got it in my eye. Okay, so maybe I do need that because I still got my eye bad. And we still got lashes, y'all. It is like 1, 2. Don't know why I didn't use this in the first place. Okay, so we just got one stubborn lash left. Water's everywhere. It's like it's stubborn. It will not come off. It's like a stubborn lash. Maybe I don't know if you can see it. And then I don't have any lashes anymore. That's why I was just like, you know, got it off by ripping it off. I still got a little bit of the stuff in my eye. I have like no lashes right now. It might be like part of like the lash glue though. Okay, so boom, that one's done. I feel so much lighter. Now it's time to turn the water off, clean up my mess, and do it over again on the other side. So now we know the do's and don'ts. I feel like we're gonna be able to do the other side a little bit better. Hence why I wanted to do the side that didn't have as much lashes first, just so I can get a feel of what I'm doing, how to do it. If my lash tech wasn't so far, I would have went to her. Honestly, I just didn't feel like driving all the way over there just to get a few lashes removed. Okay. So we know why under eye is important, but we are going to push it down and have it down here. We're gonna try it down here because up here, when I was trying to brush it, it was getting stuck. And so now we're gonna do the top part. Okay, I'm able to actually like open up my eye a little better. Don't like that. So going against my better judgment, and we are putting it back down low. And then, oh wow, that took off the hairs off my eyebrow. Yikes. So we got it this close to like where it's just going to be a lot. Whew. Alright, actually my eye, I can still open my eye, but it's definitely a little bit harder. So now we're going in with this little gel. We're gonna do this eye. Okay, first I need a different spoolie so I can brush it out because these are kind of wild and crazy. I really couldn't see. Okay, cool. I can see it now. So going in, adding the gel. I will say, I don't know if it's because my right eye is open and I'm right-handed, but as far as like keeping my eye closed, this was definitely easier. So I recommend starting with your least dominant side first, you know, especially like when you're doing this for the first time, like moi. So that way you get a feel for it, and then your dominant side, you didn't already made the mistakes, so it won't be as bad. Okay. Yes, this is going much better. I can see what I'm doing. I'm looking in the mirror and I'm trying to make sure that it's like on the actual lash line. I just lifted it up a little bit to make sure I am actually getting it on the lash line, because that's where it's connected to. Okay, I'm just gonna get a closer look. Yeah, I kind of have it all spread over because one of the lashes just came off of it. I'm gonna take one of these. Well, let me see if I can just try to like clean it up, because I kind of want to keep some of these. I like the Hunchback of Notre Dame. Okay, so I know for a fact it's been 2 minutes because I had to change my camera battery. So we're gonna go in. It's coming off so much easier. Oh, was that just the first one that came off easy? Okay, got that one off. We might have to do this one in another round. Okay, so I think the first time I didn't do the wait. Like I didn't wait long enough, the 2 minutes, because this is just coming off. Oh wow. I'll link the description down below. Like I said, this is an amateur doing this. This is the first time I've done this before. Ouch. Okay. Just came off. I think I have like 5 left. And also like putting it in like this. Ooh, I feel a burn. I might have opened my eye. I might have in my eye. But how I've got it, like with it closed like this, it's a little bit easier. I think the first time I did it, I had it too close to the lash line. And so it was making things pretty difficult. I've got some that just won't come off. Yeah, some they're pretty tight, so I'm gonna go in and add some more. Like you can see, like these are just not wanting to come off, but I can see it a little bit better. So I'm putting it right on, so you can see, like right on it. Trying to put it right on the root. Oh, I got it in my eye. Ooh. That one came off. Oh, yes. Ha 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 ha. So like it does burn slightly, but it's not like a ha 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 ha. It's me saying it burned slightly while that burn got into me, because I have so much on. So we only got 3 left. Whew. I'm gonna have to rinse this off a little bit because I felt it like burning my eye. Ooh, I pulled it. Oh, well. In the corner of my eye. Okay, so we're almost done. You see, I've got like 2 left, and they're being extremely stubborn. Like there's just 2. Okay, I'm gonna rinse the area off because, like I said, it's in my eye and it's burning. Now we're gonna do it again. This is the 3rd time. And it's so weird, like when it dries, it's like kind of like chalky. I'm not trying to put too much because, like I said, it's only 2. Yeah, let me see. Okay, yeah. So you see how it's just only these two that are left, and then like this is the stuff. It was burning, so that's why I kind of had to like rinse it off because it's being stubborn. Oh yes. Now we only got one left. Come on. It's like hanging on. Oh, yes. Yes. So we got that one out. I'm going to wash it because that stuff's in there pretty thick. Whew. Oh, it's in my eye again. You know, see, I'm trying to get this stuff out my eye. Oh, that burn is like no joke. It's not terrible, but it's enough. So I'm going to go in and rinse it again. My eye's still burning a little bit. I think there's still some like in my lashes. So I'm just washing it now. Oh, that feels like so good. Turn that water off. Okay, so I'm gonna wash the other eye because I'm pretty sure there's still some cleaner in there. And everything will be linked down below. If I had like a full set of lashes, I wouldn't do this. I can't see, I'm blind. Oh, great. I don't know. Oh, whew. I was like, yeah, I don't know where this is. And honestly, so I've had this for a while because this is what I use. Y'all over here. This is what I use to wash my lashes with, and it helps so much. Oh yes. It's like the burn is no more. I definitely know I still had some of that stuff in my eye because the way that water was so soothing. Oh, that feels so good. I think it's still I had to be quiet. I had to see. I think it's still some in this eye, like some of the remover. So I'm gonna do this eye one more time. You know, this isn't bad. I definitely think plastic covers will be a little bit better because with the towel-like covers, it was a little hard to like do the brush method of like brushing them out, and then it kind of got stuck. I feel like if it was like more of a plastic material, it wouldn't stick as much. And that adhesive was very, very strong because it took the hair off my face. It took the hair off my lashes. I'm just making a mess. But everything will be linked in the description box, you know, of how to slightly burn your eyes. But like I said, it was a burn of more so like there's something foreign in your eye versus you know, like 3rd-degree burns. So it's just more so because I have corrective lenses in my eyes, is that I was kind of like slightly worried, and I was just like, I still feel that stuff on me. It got in the lower lash on this one a little bit, so I'm just trying to like fully make sure that's off. My lashes are like non-existent right now, but that's okay. I like waking up with lashes, but look how I don't have any right now. Like, look how I don't have any right now. So I'm just gonna take a break from them and go back to, you know, doing strip lashes because, you know, like I said, I like waking up with them. I feel like it's easy to do videos and photos, but I don't like not being able to wash my face like, you know, normally. I don't like that I can't just rub my eyes anymore. Like, look how freeing that is. That's so freeing. I used to have long lashes and I don't have any, so I don't like that aspect of my lashes just being poof, gone. And I don't know if, you know, over time, if you keep getting them, will your lashes not grow? I was thinking of actually, let me see if I can just move it like this. Yeah, there we go. I was thinking about getting them back in October, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna go a whole year. I mean, the rest of the year without them. And just seeing how long it takes for my lashes to grow back. You know, I feel like I can get better at doing falsies. And, you know, I might try to figure out if I can do like, you know, individuals, because I know some people do. I don't like the feeling of individuals, so I might just strip to like really good thick strip lashes. But this is me without lashes, and I feel freer. Like, I don't know, it just feels like a weight has been slightly lifted off of me. The constant need of having to get them done every 2 to 3 weeks, them falling out, them like I'm finding them in the bed, on the ground. Like I said, I like the look, but at what cost? So I hope this was informative. I think that anybody can do it because if I managed to do this remover, I'm pretty sure you can.